was ours for the photography. That's it. That's it. Well, I don't know whether but that's a fantastic sound, isn't it? And all that stinks going all the way up there. Absolutely.
To be honest, these are about years.
A what?
These are about decades.
Oh, well, 1930s. What did you say? 36?
Something like that, yeah. Still not all
This one?
yeah.
Why have you travelled from that?
Brilliant.
Oh, I but you're interested in street. Excellent. You've got a Canon camera there. I used to have but yeah, I'm thinking again the cinema reflex. That's a digital SLR.
Yeah.
That is. And Canon is the main camera in advance to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you a Canon?
To be honest, I just wanted the camera to get going.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
one's a cheap. Well, I wouldn't say cheap. It's £250.
250.
And basically,
So are there different lenses? So you can put different lenses on that?
yeah. £250 got me just that.
Oh, for the with the lens on.
Yeah. It's the starter one. So
Yeah.
once you get going,
Oh.
or if you're going to a professional,
Yeah.
you can get a bigger, better camera.
Yeah, but God, they cost them thousands,
They
don't
do,
they?
yeah.
I mean, that's all. The 4,000 or 5,000 quid or something like that. And lenses are the same, aren't they?
It's cheap for that.
But I don't. To be honest, I'm prepared to. I don't want to have loads of technology.
Yeah.
I want to be able to personally just put well look at that. But you know, I mean, it's sufficed. I mean, I took a picture.
Somehow.
But yeah, but I'm prepared to probably go up to maybe 1,500. You know, something
Yeah.
like that. Because you know, yeah, I like to treat myself. But I know what you mean, because if you find that you're not going to use it, or you spend you know a load of money. But you're happy with that then? Have you had it long then?
Now, jam-packed time.
Oh, is it? Oh.
But to be honest, I've got amazing pictures out of it.
Have you? You're pleased with the results you've got?
Yeah. I've got another lens on top of this.
Was that the one you put back on, or have you just taken the lens off? Oh, is that the one you?
That's the one I got with, but I've got
right.
this just to make it.
What's
a
that
lens.
then? Is that a lens then?
Just makes everything wider.
Ah,
So you can
wide
put it on
angle,
there.
yeah. Oh, right. Right.
Uh,
Yeah. So is that the only other thing you've got? Have you got another lens?
Oh, got another one here.
Sorry about this.